Hey friends, this is our Brita water filter pitcher. Super easy, super convenient, and you do need to swap out these little filters that are located within the pitcher. In today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Now you can buy these Brita filters. You can buy a whole handful. In fact, we'll put some Amazon links below in the description box if you'd like to grab some for yourself. So basically, to swap these out, again, like I said, it's really easy. You basically just need to pop off this top. There's a couple of little tabs over here that will allow you to pull these off. And then inside, you're gonna see our filter. Now this basically just pulls straight out. You may need to give it just a slight twist. Now they recommend these be swapped out roughly every month if you're using them a ton, or I believe something like 30 or 40 gallons. Again, you can just discard this, throw it in the trash, and then we'll unwrap our new one. Again, they just come nicely sealed like this. You'll grab the new filter, you'll stick it down in, and then again, you need to push it down just a little bit. You'll feel it kind of get nice and snug. And as you can see, it really doesn't pull out that way. You're ready to go. Now, if you have one of the newer models of the pitchers, it does have a nice light indicator down here. And so what we'll need to do, we have the white filter here. We'll push this for 5 seconds. I'm gonna push and hold. It's about 2, 3, 4, 5. And then as you can see, you'll get that little light, and that basically recycles things so it knows to give you a good indicator of when that filter is going to be ready to be used again. Just stick the top back on and we are ready to go. Again, you can buy these little replacement filters on Amazon. We'll put some links down there in the description box. Go check them out for yourself. Hopefully that helps. Stay tuned. We make a bunch of these little DIY tutorial videos to make your life just a little bit easier. See you again on the next one.